I got on you and a flashlight. Sing. You and I. 'Cause you're my flashlight. Getting me. That's where you come in. Getting me through the night. Please, Michaela. Let's try one that you know. Let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about you and me. Let's talk about all the good things and the bad things that may be. Let's talk about sex. Let's talk about sex, babe. Babe. I can't think. All through the night I make love to you like you want me to. Come on, Mickey. And I'll hold you close through the night.
I don't think those are the words.
Then help me. All through the night I make love to you like you want me to. I hold you close, but
I don't remember what song goes after that.
and it goes, like, I don't remember either. It's like, na, come on. I may be bad, but I'm perfectly good at it. Remember?
Mm-hmm.
What song do you like to sing that makes your soul happy and glorified? I got cut by one of these boogers. It sliced me thin. But somehow I'm still thicker than a Snicker. Mickey,
What?
please sing.
Why?
Because singing makes you happy, and when you're happy, my heart sings like a lard full of dew. It kills me
What kills you?
to see you this way.